Hey guys, today we're putting tarp, a dump truck. And a cheap way of doing it is a piece of PVC pipe on there, just screwed on there. And yeah, my hardware store didn't have a 16-foot tarp, so I'm using I'm actually using two 10-footers, 8x10s. And that's kind of good because that way, if on stumps or whatever, you can heap it up and you have lots of links on the tarp anyway. So that works. So anyways, it's going to roll up like that in there. But I'm finishing it off because I just installed it and just took some PVC glue and some T's and glue everything up. Here's the PVC glue. I had to use gray and gray glue, and see the number on that, and purple primer. And the T's, stick them on there. It's a fairly easy setup, really. So, anyways, we're gonna get this done. Of course, it'd be nice to do it this way, but it's a bit too wide. See, I left a little bit longer here. I'm gonna put that piece of the T on here. I won't catch my hand on this. I need to shorten these two. Try to get them center anyway, somewhat. I priced out a tarp system for the dump truck here on Amazon, and it was $500. I don't want to spend that kind of money on this thing. If it was a really nice dump truck, I would, but for what it is, I'm not going to spend a lot of money on it. I'm sure there's got to be an easier way of doing this. Maybe we should get into filming trucks. I get trucks going by here all day long. All sorts of heavy trucks going by all day long. Back and forth all day long. Oh. Cheap. Cheap solution if you want to build a tarp for your truck. Last time I was a dump and took stuff, they were giving me an extra $10 for not having a tarp on my truck. That was just regular hauling household garbage. Just think, would it be hauling something like this? Well, stumps. Well, of course, stumps are free to take because they're recyclable, right? So. That might work. That problem is see if it reels up or not. See if it winds up. What do you think, guys? Is it gonna work? Probably have to I'm gonna have a piece of PVC on here. Anyway.